So I use FPS as my chosen broker because they're reliable. I trust them. They are regulated in 4 countries: Belize, Cyprus, South Africa, and Australia. Okay? That's where they're regulated. And if you're in another country, Kenya, Ghana, Rwanda, Nigeria, okay, what happens is that although FPS is not regulated in that country, we're regulated in Belize and Cyprus. And that is basically where the Forex hubs are. And there is what is called the ombudsman, and they look after the Forex world. And if you ever have a problem coming from another country, you can then contact the regulator in Belize or Cyprus, and they will then look into your query with FPS if there is ever a query. And you can then tell them what the problem is. They will investigate it. FPS has to reply to the regulator in Belize and Cyprus. Why? Because if they don't, they will lose their license in Belize or Cyprus. So they're not interested in that. They will then take care of the situation. I've never had a problem with FPS. They're reliable, they're regulated, this is the biggest broker in the world.